100% on our way to the moon.
Moontrain's on point, we're in the groove, trading like a symphony. With the
Dow's
big
over
mics,
$50,000.
juicing up
I don't know why you're laughing. You're a great stock trader.
We're on the moon train.
Then we watched you guys land on the moon.
No, it is.
This is how you
All
become
right,
a day
guys.
trader.
So we have either a Trader Vic top here, or this is gonna reverse. Now this is setting up. We have a little bit of a gap here, right? We caught this bounce and we got that bounce, and this is setting up for a inverted head and shoulders. Then we got a wall into the close. That usually means you're gonna reverse and gap up. So we have a target here, first upside target that needs to be revisited. Doesn't mean that it happens tomorrow, but this is either going to be a inverted head and shoulders with a wall into the close that rips up, or there is bombs away. Now I do want to say that on the 1 hour we gave up. I mean, this, if this was a 5-minute chart, I'd be longing here, right? The 50 amperes of the Bollinger Band. Tomorrow is Thursday. You have one gap up here and one gap here. If this continues to be nasty, I don't see a reason for it not to go down here. But there's always a but. I've longed futures now. There's this ghost candle up to here that would create a gap up. Then we have to see which direction it picks. But there is a QQQ goes to here. Also, I am happy to announce that so far the Apple YOLOs from down here seem to be alive and well. So that's good. We'll see if that materializes. Now, as far as Nvidia and Apple, they were trading together yesterday, and we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ghosts to the upside. We got 5 ghosts to the upside. So this is gonna be my main squeeze, literally, for the end of the week. Let's try to make it real fucking simple. Okay, this guy. And I'll be playing the 220s. Okay, now Avgo. A lot can be said about this. Numbers are good, but even when you're a gazillion-dollar company, the fucking CEO came out and started reading the wrong earnings numbers from the last quarter on the fucking call. Right? That kind of goes hand in hand with building a cage match arena. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck? But anyways, I had taken a Marvel YOLO here. It's probably gonna be back to yeah, it was just a YOLO, you know. Anyways, that means that having sold Qualcomm here, I believe yesterday, it is still back in play. If Qualcomm and Nvidia decide to have a Siamese twin party, fantastic. So I'm sticking with the big boys here. And I had also been talking about that Namo, right? That it either 2 scoops. See, this has some fucking wicks too. Like, you have that right there. That is gap fill. So if Groove Daddy is feeling it tomorrow, I'm feeling it too on SPX, especially when Todd's away. Maybe we get a little nuts, you know what I'm saying? I still like this. If it holds this in a little bit, if this keeps holding 80, okay? As far as that, I think I'm right now done messing with these other names, and I want to use Avgo as a blueprint caution for this guy. Okay, that was I mean, I wasn't in it, but that was some nasty, nasty stuff, and they keep doing it. And this is what I've warned about. Like, the more they do erratic moves on this to burn premiums into that earnings call, the more likelier it is to move. Surprising also that Google did not move with Avgo. So again, to recap, I'm Team Cook because it is June. I'm playing Jensen, and I wanted to show you guys this. Here's the Namo, and I was saying 2 days ago, like, let's see if it invert head and shoulders, which is this pattern it's doing, or if it two scoops. It is not two scooping. Now it's turning down pretty fast too. So obviously, needless to say, if you have a really fucking nasty day tomorrow on tech, this is gonna be bottomed out already by NFP. If you have a lukewarm medium still up day on tech, it will see that. So NFP right now with those Goldilocks jolts numbers is kind of setting up here. Okay. Also, nice daily hammer on Bitcoin. Not too bad for a freehand. So maybe Flick gets his coin pump soon. With that said, there's only 2 rules for this week. I want you to follow them. Tomorrow is don't get fucked, and Friday don't get fucked again. Okay, yesterday was not like the greatest trading day. It was frustrating. The market changed. Who likes trading this shit? It's not like you would have banged on puts unless you bought first minute SPX and held all day into close. It was like struggle. You know what I mean? Not the type of struggle the guy I gave money to on the street yesterday has. He had no hands and feet, you know. So I gave him a bunch of money because I was, you know, feeling generous. But it kind of felt like that. So we gotta just be on it tomorrow again and pick our spots and feel, breathe, and sense the market. With that said, guys, all hands on deck tomorrow, since our grandmaster is gone. Not me, Todd, that is. See you guys tomorrow, and hopefully the flow trade's working again. Oh yeah, just needed to quickly here before I jump off check what we're dealing with. We need to hold, because we're down here, right? Yeah, we need to recapture 754. So that's what we're trading into, 754. Over that, you can go to the top of the range. 750 breaks, you go down there. Okay, God bless.